This video explains why the current weather pattern is primed for a major freezing rain event. Two powerful air masses are colliding, deep Arctic cold near the surface, and warm, moisture-rich air moving in from the south. First, the polar vortex. A disruption high over the Arctic has stretched the vortex into a wavy, uneven shape. This allows bitterly cold air to spill southward into the central and eastern United States. Because this air is dense and heavy, it stays close to the ground, forming a stubborn layer of sub-freezing temperatures. Next, the heat source. Along the east coast, the Gulf Stream is unusually warm. This warm water adds moisture to the atmosphere. As the storm approaches from the southwest, it pulls this warm, humid air northward. The warm air rides up and over the cold surface air instead of pushing. This creates a warm layer above the ground, known as the warm nose. Snow from the upper atmosphere melts into rain when it passes through this warm zone. As the raindrops fall, they re-enter the shallow Arctic air near the surface. Here, they become supercooled, still liquid, but below the freezing point. When these droplets touch the frozen ground, trees, or power lines, they instantly turn into clear ice. This combination of a cold wedge at the surface and a warm layer above is the classic setup for a high-impact freezing rain or ice storm event.